In just 1 week, remove stomach fat permanently, lose weight and burn belly fat. In 1 week, turn 39 belly to 25 inches fast. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will share with you an effective remedy to lose your weight. We need these ingredients to make this recipe: 2 teaspoons of flaxseed powder, 1/2 cup of water, Now mix all the ingredients very well. Hey, it's time to drink this recipe. Easy, right? Finally, I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.